Yo guys, it's Dami, and in this video we have these AirPods 4 with ANC that I did get from DHGate, and we are going to review and unbox them today and test them out with my iPhone. So stick around for that. So I got this AirPod 4s with ANC sent from my good friend Ermax01 here. It does come in this red box just to go through customs, but once you do get it taken out of the red box, you do have it just like this. So you have the pods themselves on the front of the box. You have the serial number, the output logo, and you have AirPods with active noise cancellation. And at the back, you just have AirPods 4 with noise cancellation. When you do take this out of the box here, you have the design by Apple in California paperwork, and after that you just have a few information and pamphlets there, but we don't really care about that. It doesn't come with a charger like every new Apple product, so that's standard. It comes in this translucent jacket or paper that you can just easily take off. And looking at the AirPod 4 themselves, they have the USB-C charging cable or charging port at the bottom, and they do have the speakers as well for like Find My and other stuff that you would need to find this with Find My. And then at the back of it, you have it designed by Apple in California and assembled in Vietnam at the back of the casing. But as you guys know, this doesn't come with the parent button on the front or at the back, so you do have to double tap the case. So on these ones, the double tap feature doesn't work. I had to pair it through the settings page, which is kind of old school, but that's what you get with some of these. Some the double tap feature works, some it doesn't, so it's kind of iffy on. But one thing that is certain when you get these is the amazing sound quality on these. So after I did pair it, I did check the settings page. You can see that it comes with other features like head gestures and so forth, but sadly those don't work, as I did try it on my iPhone 16 Pro here, but it doesn't work. So we're gonna leave that to the side. But the serial number does work. I did copy the serial number and I did paste it in Apple serial number checker online, and it did show up that it had limited warranty and stuff. So that's a cool feature in it. And the sound quality on these, I'll give this a solid 7 out of 10. It's not the best. It's not fully, the bass doesn't really hit, and yeah, that's pretty much the sound quality on these. 7 out of 10. Not the best, but it do get the job done. When it comes to the features, ANC and transparency, they work flawlessly. Spatial audio, I didn't really get it tested that much, but it sort of works, but not 100% all the way. So ANC, transparency, I'll give that a solid 8 out of 10. For the ANC, the sounds too kind of comes in from, your surroundings basically, because it's not a gel, it's just plastic, so it doesn't really fill up, the ear canal and stuff. But spatial audio, it works, it doesn't work, so that's left up to you. And the stem controls do work as well. I did try the stem control, so you could pause, play, you could increase the volume, reduce the volume, go to the next song and the previous song on these. So those features do work. Everything on this basically works. It's just that you won't be able to get full spatial audio, and it doesn't auto switch to your other Apple devices. But I don't think that's a big deal for everyone. You could just go manually and connect them to the device that you want to use. So that's okay. When it comes to buying these, it's very simple. I have a link tree down below, linktree_Dami YT. So once you go, get them, it's gonna be AirPod Max, so it's gonna be AirPod 2 and 3 and Pro from Ermax01. You click it, you have a bunch of options. The one that I did get was a model for best ANC. That's the one you would select, and for me it was about $40 Canadian. So it's not that expensive. Well, in American it's around like 30 something dollars. I'm not really sure. And once you do click it, you can put in your card information on checkout, or if you do have Apple Pay, you use Apple Pay. But one thing is, if you're staying in the United States, ship it from the United States as you get it within a week. But everywhere else around the world, you're gonna ship it from China, basically. And for me, it's gonna take about roughly a week and a half to get here at most. So maximum is gonna take like what, 2 weeks, minimum like a week. But these did get here fast when I was told that I was being sent AirPods. I got this like what, in a week. So that's what I would say, minimum a week, maximum about 2 weeks. So with all that being said, I'm gonna give this a solid let's say 7.5 to 8 out of 10 in terms of the features, sound quality, and build quality. So yeah, don't forget to drop a like, subscribe. All links to this will be down below, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Peace.